Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we have a metal bumper case for the iPhone X and XS. This is the box it comes with in. Here's the case itself. As you can see, we got cutouts for the charging port, a power button, volume up and down, and the mute switch cutout on top for the antenna bands, and foam padding on the inside. We also have 2 screws on the sides right here, so you can put it on and off. The case also comes with a screwdriver and some extra screws. And now we're gonna pause the video and put it on. All right guys, now we're gonna show you how to put it on. You take the top part and you slide it in like so. And then you wanna take the bottom part and also slide that one on. Okay, we got the piece back on. You want to put the screw in there and screw it in. And same with the other side. And once you get both of them, this is how it looks. Overall, it's a very nice case. It is metal, so it feels very nice. It also got a cutout for the speaker and the microphone. Easy to reach mute switch. Now we're going to take it off and put it on the black phone. This is how it looks. It's got a lot of contrast. We prefer how it looks on the white phone, but this is not bad either. It also provides a lot more grip because of the square edges. This was Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching.